Mukhang one big happy Farmally pala itong mga Pogo at Farmally member.
So, here's the deal. Di ba may pina-freeze na assets ang AMLAC? This is part of their preventive measure, part of their investigation sa Pogo third scam hub sa Bamban, Tarlac. There are 7 names on that list. And Alice Go is really not the most interesting person on that list. Kilala na kasi natin si Alice Go eh. Siya yung nakalimot ng childhood.
Your Honor, as much as possible, ayoko na po sumagot ng hindi ko po alam.
Tumira raw sa farm.
Your Honor, lumaki po ako sa farm.
You know who the T is on that list? It's Hong Jiangyang. Sino siya? Hong Jiangyang is the brother of Michael Yang. Michael Yang was really close to former President Rodrigo Duterte. Former economic advisor siya sa Malacanang. They were hobnobbing with businessmen. At hindi sila basta-basta ha. Sila lang naman ang Philippine representatives noong 2017 sa isang conference na ang nag-sponsor ay mismong CCP. Yes, the Chinese Communist Party. And other than that, they belong in the same business network of Farmally. Naalala niyo pa yung Farmally? Sila yung contractor ng billions in pesos of government projects. Tapos, substandard din naman pala yung mga PPE. So,